Hey guys, it's DJ. Today we're going to be making these super yummy strawberry cupcakes. It's so good. I promise you're going to love them. Everyone you know is going to love them. I wouldn't give you a bonus recipe, I swear. They're so good. You're going to have fresh strawberries in every bite of the cupcake, and then we're going to make a strawberry reserve puree type thing to mix into a cream cheese frosting, so you have fresh bright strawberry flavor in the frosting and then the cupcake, and it's just kabam, kaboom, kapow, and it's all in your mouth. So good. Strawberry every single bite. So good. So we're gonna mix our dry ingredients. That's gonna consist of 1 2/3 a cup of flour, 1 cup of sugar, 1/4 a teaspoon of baking soda, and then 1 teaspoon of baking powder. I'm gonna add 2 eggs, half a cup of sour cream, does a good job at sort of like enhancing all the flavor. 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract is special. Strawberry milk, duh. You're gonna add 1/3 a cup of texture you're looking for, nice and smooth. And our last step is going to be folding in some freshly chopped strawberries. We're going to use 3/4 for the batter, and we're going to fold that in, and then we're going to use another 3/4 to make a puree. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. Let's just do this. So and stress that we're folding this in, not mixing this in. If you use a blender, it's going to actually mash it up, which would probably taste great too. But this is going to give you fresh bites of strawberry, and it's gonna just make the cupcake so good to have fresh bites of strawberry, like a next level strawberry cupcake. This isn't the artificial flavor, this is depth, this is deep, this is wow, that looks good. You're gonna bake at 350 for 20 minutes. Puree, and that may sound intimidating, but it's really simple. And this is gonna go into our cream cheese frosting that we're making. Just so good. Okay, so our saucer's on low heat. I have the other half of the strawberries, and I'm gonna put that in here. Some lemon juice. And I'm just gonna give it a solid squeeze. Get this out. Dust over it. I'm gonna show you guys what I got going on in this little pot. You can kind of get the gist of what is happening, because I know these measurements aren't. Let's see, just enough sugar just to coat. And it's going to reduce to about 1/3, and then you'll know you're good to go. Do you hear it, this one? And I'm mashing it and stirring. That's about half or 1/3 of what we started with. And so that's how you know you're done. Yeah. So for our frosting, you're gonna need a block of cream cheese, 1.5 sticks of butter, 3 cups of powdered sugar, and the little puree that we made. I'd suggest having the ingredients be softer. I've had this cream cheese out the entire time while I've been mixing. The butter's also been out and waiting, so it's gonna be soft when it goes in. So this is the last thing that's going to go in for our frosting. Mix until you get it a smooth frosting. And then you can put this in the fridge to sort of stiffen up. You'll be ready to frost your cupcakes once they come out the oven. Oh, so good. Spread it out like that. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you give this recipe a try. Let me know if you do.